So before I start my tutorial on how to make an invoice template from using the Google Sheets, I would like to show you my scenario because I would like to make the invoice template based on my scenario. So here I put in on my notes, and then yeah. So my scenario is Ali wants to open a bookstore. He wants to make a simple invoice template which can state the goods and services that they provided to the customer and how much they need to pay. However, he has no idea on how to make one because he has never done it before. Here are the steps on how to make an invoice template using Google Sheets. So basically, Ali opens a bookstore and he wants to make an invoice template, simple invoice template, from using a Google Sheets. So how do I access the Google Sheets? Very easy. Open up your Google Chrome from your Google and make sure you sign into your Google account, and then here the 9 dots icon from the top right of the windows, click on it, and then scroll down to here Google Sheets, this little green icon, see here, then click on it, and then it will bring up you to here. You can start a new spreadsheet blank, and or else you can choose here, but for me, for this video, I'll choose the template gallery, and then go down to work section, and here choose the invoice template. So as you can see here, we got the invoice template, but I will edit it to make it more nice, more clean, more neat for you to to settle up your invoice. So basically here, change your company name and then your phone number. For me, I will not change this because yeah, your phone number here, you can change it. And then if you want to change the font size, you can, yeah, here it is here, and they have variety choices of font. You can pick one and choose one, whatever you desire. And then here the size, you can make it smaller. I mean, highlight it, and you have to make it smaller. You can make it larger, but for me I will stick here for this one size, this size. And then here your invoice title, or you want to make it a smaller cell, you can unmerge from here and click on the merge here, and then you can click unmerge, highlight to where do you want to make it the cell merge, and click on here merge horizontally, so it will make it to much smaller cell. And then if you want the submitted date, for me I will just delete it, delete the submitted date. And then here, down here, oh sorry, my bad. And then here the invoice for name, you can put your invoice for who. I will put random name again, Akmal Hakimi. And then also the payable name here, you can change, you can copy and paste the invoice for name. Yep, by clicking on your keyboard, Control C and then Control V. And here the company name, whatever the company name is, I'll say Chalk and Dip because you have business on Chalk and Dips. Then the addresses, wherever the address is. So here the addresses and the company name and the name that you want to invoice for. And then you can put a project name here, whatever project that you want, and change your invoice number, make it for you to simply choose and make it more organized. And then the due date, here you can choose the date. Actually I will choose uh, October, 31st of October, because this is the date today. And then settle for the information. I will show you how to make a simple logo. Insert a simple logo here. So from here, go to insert and go to image. Click on image over cell. Otherwise, it will, or if you choose image in cell, it will put the image inside the cell. If you choose image over cell, it will put the image over the cell. So I'll rather choose image over cell. And then from here you can choose where do you want to upload the image. For this video I'll just show you how to put it from the Google image. Just type in book, because based on the scenario, Ali want to open a bookstore. So choose any choose any uh, logo here. I will take this one, I think, and then just click on just drag to the upper right and make it smaller. I think smaller. All right. Bring up here a little bit. And then what else you can do here? You can I want to change it the color of the cell. So I can go here, fill color. I want to make it maybe gray, I think. Yep. And then highlight on here, make it same color. Alright, and then I want to make it border. Choose from here border, and then click all border. Look more nice, clean. And then I think here I don't want space here. You can just right click on it and delete the row. And then yeah, you can preview this invoice by clicking file and print. From the landscape, choose portrait. Then yeah, seems nice in one page. You can edit more things if you want, like the color of the font, or and for me I would I'll change this one, the currency. I'll highlight all of it, all here, change it to here, format, number, then go to here, more format, because I have the Malaysian ringgit. You can change to other currency. You can choose plenty of uh from other country currency. Yep, I have the Malaysian currencies, Malaysian ringgit. Choose number, and then here Malaysian ringgit. So here I just want to change this color. Okay, maybe blue. I think it's may prefer black. All right. So the main thing here, what I'm gonna do is I want to use an offset function an offset function, it will calculate automatically all this value here at the subtotal here, and then for example I want to put a row above here, put quantity and unit price, and it will not it will not calculate the quantity and unit price exactly what what we want, just like this, but I can fix it by using an offset function. So I'm going to undo it here, and I will demonstrate here at the right column. I will put one and maybe another, then drag it to make it more clear. So I will demonstrate how to use an offset function. First of all, we're going to put an equal sign for everything, every formula that we're going to use. Then type in offset. Here it is, and it will show out the example. And what are we going to do on the offset? First, we're going to put the cell reference, which here are the unit price, and then we're going to put the value below the unit price and before the subtotal. So we want to make a range here. So first, below the unit price, we're going to down one row to the unit price, comma 1, and then we're going to stay in this cell because we want this value, not going to the right or left, so we put comma 0. See, it will show up the value here, and then I want to make the number here above the subtotal, so I'll put colon, this colon, and then type in again offset, I'll put parentheses here just for in case, and then another column, another parentheses, then the cell reference here is subtotal, and then comma, we're going to go one row above, so it will be -1, and then same here, we're going to stay in the cell, not going to the right or left, so we put comma 0. All right, see, it will show any value that in this range. For example, we'll put another row here, so it pop up here the value. So we're going to do this unit price and this quantity multiply to the total price, So we're going to do the same function. So we're going to copy here, just copy and paste, and then put to the another cell, but oops, put equal sign before every function, don't forget it. So we're going to change the cell reference. This is for the quantity here, and then this cell reference, and here E23, so we change it to the E23. Click enter, and then you show up every value from this range, quantity up to the before the row here. So we're going to multiply the unit price and quantity, just copy this function, and then oops, sorry, okay, and then click enter, and then we put star here to multiply as a symbol of multiply, and then just paste the function that we already copied and hit enter, and then it will multiply this unit price and quantity here. So right now I didn't really get what I want, because I want the value from here to here, the range. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a array formula wrapper, array formula, which will make the function to this, like this range. So shortcut for the array formula, just click after the equal sign, Control Shift Enter, then you can see an array formula here, array formula wrapper, and then just hit enter. So it will automatically do the same thing like here. So we're not gonna do this. So you're gonna delete here, delete column, and then we're gonna copy here, copy this one, and clear all. Oh wait, enter, and then we're gonna copy it to here. For that, we're gonna clear it, put it here, equal sign, then Ctrl V. But I don't want it here because if we put a row here, wait a minute, we're gonna put a row above here. See, it will not make the function, um, it will not function. So I'll undo this, and then I would like to copy the function here and put it to the total price up here. Here, Control V, right? Equal sign, Control V. Delete this one. So what is the problem here? The function is not in the position because we want a total price up here and the range row from here to here, from here to here. And what we're going to do, what we're going to fix is we're going to add the total price here before the parentheses and before the last parenthesis here, put space, and then we're going to add the total price name. So we're going to hit the bracket here, and then also bracket, right bracket here, and then put quotation, and then you can type in the title, total price, which is this total price, and then end it also with quotation, and then semicolon. All right, backspace on it, and it should be no problem. And you should enter yes. The function will perfectly work, but it's not gonna do the function here as we populated all up here with the array formula wrapper. Yep. And then we're gonna delete here. We're gonna not gonna need this column, and then here is what are missing also. We will not sum up everything that we add row. For example, like here we're gonna add here, see, it will automatically work, but not for the subtotal. So we're gonna do the same thing here. Use the offset function and clear it here. Everything inside here, we're gonna clear it, and then we're gonna replace it with the offset function, and then the cell reference, which is total price, and then we're gonna go down one row. See, offset row, we're going to go down one, so one, and then comma, offset column, which is we want to stick it here, don't want to go right or left, so put 0, and then the range colon offset again parentheses, then where are we now? At G23, right? G23, and then enter the G23, then comma, going up one row you're going to put -1, and then same, stick to the column, we're going to put 0, and then hit enter, and we will get this formula that will sum up everything from here below the total price cell and from new row that we insert. For example, see it will total up automatically, not like before, because it will set up to this offset function where our total price multiply the quantity and unit price, this range to this range. Yep. And so that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you guys from watching my video and support on my first video actually. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.